So hello and namaste everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been long since I uploaded my last video. I have been swamped recently, but I'm finally back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how UX designers can use ChatGPT to make the UX process more efficient and more streamlined. Since you may have known that UX design is all about creating seamless and enjoyable experience for the users, but sometimes the process can be overwhelming, sometimes it can be challenging because of all the different types of users that we might have, all the different user needs. But it's all about understanding the questions, understanding the scenario, and you can make this process more streamlined, more efficient, more easy by the help of AI technologies like ChatGPT. And ChatGPT, it's a language-based model developed by OpenAI, and everyone's talking about it. If you don't already know what ChatGPT is, go search it up on Google and look it up. It's another level of AI technology, and I think it's the beginning of the new AI era. And since everyone's using it, everyone's talking about it, and ChatGPT has made life easy for many professionals, so UX designers, they need to start using ChatGPT as well. We have various different AI technologies like ChatGPT, Midjourney, where you can use them to make your UX or UI process more easy or effective. But today I'm specifically talking about ChatGPT, and I have listed down 6 things that you can do with ChatGPT to make your UX process easy. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first thing that you can do with ChatGPT is ask it questions. So you can use it for searching. You would normally, if you are not using ChatGPT, you would normally go to Google, ask for certain questions like color suggestions or font suggestions or design patterns, and you will scroll through lots of websites to get the information to choose the correct method or patterns. But you can make that easy using ChatGPT. For example, like I can ask ChatGPT, what are the best design patterns for an e-commerce website. So as you can see, it's giving me answers. It's saying that there are several design patterns that are commonly used in e-commerce websites to improve user experience, increase conversions, and streamline the shopping process. And here are the few examples. And you can look through the examples, you can look through the answers that ChatGPT has been you can look at the answers that ChatGPT has given you, and you can read it out, and you can know that what kind of design patterns that you need to implement in your e-commerce website. Of course, it's subjective. You can be creative with it. You don't have to follow everything ChatGPT says, but you get a lot of insights. ChatGPT can give you a lot of information about design patterns. And we can also ask ChatGPT, like, suggest me fonts and color options for a note taking app. So it's just like, it gives very human-like answers. When choosing fonts and colors for note-taking app, it's important to consider readability, legibility, and accessibility. Here are some options to consider. So it gives you font options and color options as well. So yeah, just be creative with it and ask ChatGPT any questions you would normally go and Google it. And I have tried ChatGPT for a long time, and sometimes you just need to go to search engines and ask for some questions, or if you need some answers, you can just go to ChatGPT, and you can go to Google and search it up online. But ChatGPT helps a lot because it doesn't bombard you with a lot of information. It gives you specific information that can be useful to you. So the second thing that you can do with ChatGPT is research. You can get insights for various projects that you are working on using ChatGPT. So let me ask ChatGPT or research-based questions like, what are the underlying needs that what are the underlying needs for gamers while purchasing games from online store. So it says like, it of course says that it is a language model, it doesn't have any personal experience or preferences, but based on market research and user feedback. So ChatGPT is doing the market research and user feedback for you. You don't have to spend a lot of time doing that by yourself. So it says convenience, price, availability, trust, reviews, compatibility, bonus contents, and customer supports are the things that gamers might need while purchasing games from online store. So you can use ChatGPT for research purpose as well. Let's ask another questions for get survey questions for users who's logging in for a flight booking app for the first time. So you can streamline, you can make the onboarding process easy with all these questions and steps. Like you can ask users what made you choose our flight booking app for your travel needs, and you can use all those answers to make your product more easy to use or eradicate a lot of pain points. So you can use ChatGPT for research purpose as well. So another thing you can do with ChatGPT is brainstorm. So you can brainstorm ideas, you can brainstorm user flows or anything else that if you need to brainstorm anything, you can ask ChatGPT to do it for you. So for example, brainstorm ideas for an crypto trading website. So yeah, it brainstorms the ideas for you. So it's saying real-time market data, user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, multiple payment options, robust trading competitions, educational resources, mobile compatibility, customer support, social trading, and everything. And these are the things that you might miss while designing the website or while working on your product. So you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm them. You can also ask ChatGPT for user flows. For example, give me user flows from login to checkout for an e-commerce. No, let's ask for a food delivery website, for food delivery app, for a food delivery app. So it gives you the potential user flow that you can use. So it says user flow 1, login via email, checkout, and it gives you all the scenario that all the things that users might do from login to checkout. So check on this. If you have experience working on those products, then it would be easy for you to understand what users exactly need from when they log in to when they check out. But you can check, we can ask ChatGPT for it as well, so you don't miss anything. So it says like it gives you 3 user flows: user flow 1, user flow 2, user flow 3, and it gives you real-time scenarios like user opens the food delivery app, clicks on login button, enters the email address, and selects the delivery option and everything. You can just check it out and you can brainstorm ideas for you. So another thing that you can do with ChatGPT is ask ChatGPT to create something for you. For example, create an information architecture for a mensuration tracking app. So as you can see, ChatGPT is creating an information architecture for a mensuration tracking app. You can use ChatGPT to create information architecture or create a lot of other things for a lot of products, or I would say like every product. So it gives you all of these. It says in home screen you can show welcome message, overview of current menstrual cycle status, quick access to most important features, and you can all see this. You can see that how ChatGPT has given you very specific information that you might find useful to put in your app. So yeah. And another thing that you can ask ChatGPT is to create a UX flow for an e-commerce app. So here ChatGPT is given you UX flows. So it's given you landing page, browse products, product details, carts, checkout, and everything. And in every pages, in every sections, you can get like insights what ChatGPT, what users can do in every of those pages. So user lands on app's homepage, app logo and branding is displayed, menu navigation is easily accessible, user can search for products using search bar, and while browsing products, user can browse different products, categories, product images, names, and prices are displayed. User can filter results by price, category, size, color, etc. These are the basic things that you need to understand while developing an e-commerce website. But if you ask ChatGPT for it, it will do it for you, so you don't have to spend time thinking about like, did I miss anything, or what else should I include in a certain or specific page. So you can use ChatGPT to create some things that can be useful for you. So another thing that you can do with ChatGPT is ask ChatGPT to personalize a certain product or your website or anything for specific users. For example, I can ask ChatGPT to personalize Facebook app for users with visual impairments. So it says, as an AI language model, I can suggest some tips to personalize Facebook app for users with visual impairments, and it gives you points like use accessibility settings, use screen recorders, use high contrast modes, use voice commands, use alternative text for images. So it gives you a lot of things that you might miss while trying to incorporate all type of different users. So you can use ChatGPT to personalize any websites or any apps, or personalize any products based on various types of different users. So be creative with it, ask questions to it, and it will give you very specific answers. So another thing that you can ask ChatGPT to do is summarize something. Like if you have a research report, if you have a large article that's too hard for you to read through every lines, you can ask ChatGPT for it. So let me write a TLDR report for this. Let's say write a TLDR summary. So if you don't know what TLDR is, TLDR means too long, didn't read. Just simple as that. So write a TLDR summary for this research report, and let's give it the information. So I have given ChatGPT a long paragraph for it to read that I didn't personally read, and I just want to understand the main insights or main key points of the whole article. I can ask ChatGPT to do it for you. So see, you can see that I gave it a very long paragraph to read, and it just took out the few keywords, a few insights that might be most important for me. So it gave me a very short summary of the whole article. You can ask ChatGPT to summarize anything like UX research report or any other research reports or some survey questions or anything that you find too long to read. You just ask ChatGPT to do it, and it will do it. And I played with it. I asked ChatGPT to write a summary for various research reports, and for some reason it points out the key points of all the paragraphs, and it gives you information that you need and eradicates the information that you don't need to care about. So be creative with it, play with it, and it's like use this for your UX process. So these are just the basic things that ChatGPT will help you in, and just be creative with it. You got the idea of what ChatGPT can do, and you can ask it anything. You can ask it to do anything, and it will do it for you. And rather than spending hours doing market research rather than spending hours searching for the best colors or best fonts or theme for any product. You can just ask ChatGPT to do it, and it will make your life more easy. And we are in a time where everything is evolving very rapidly, and if you are a UX designer, if you are somebody from the technology field and you don't use AI in your day-to-day process, then you are missing out on it, because it's all about doing things efficiently, effectively, and in very high pace. So ChatGPT will save you a lot of time, it will save you a lot of energy, and it will give you the personal freedom of creativeness. So use ChatGPT in your day-to-day UX design process, and trust me, it will make your life more easy. You just log into the website, you ask it anything, be creative with it, have fun. It will also write you poems, jokes, and it will do anything for you. So just be there, just go there and ask ChatGPT to do anything, and it will do it. And I hope you put this in good use. And that's all for today's video. I'll try to upload videos as frequent as I can, but since I already told you I've been so busy recently that I haven't had enough time to script or make video or edit videos. So that's why I've been inconsistent in uploading videos, but I'll try to upload videos consistently and frequently as possible. Until then, keep showing me your love, keep following, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.